Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching my previous video. In this video, I'm going to discuss two main things. One, about the circuit. Some viewers have asked me the reason I use the transistor circuit. I'm going to talk about that in a bit. And two, improvement in the sensor arrangement as promised in the last video. Firstly, I use the transistor circuit to create oscillations to drive the piezo buzzer. Here in the circuit diagram, the circle portion is a piezoelectric buzzer. G is the ground, F is the feedback, and M is the supply. There is a piezoelectric diaphragm, which consists of a piezoelectric ceramic plate, which has electrodes on both sides and a metal plate. This diaphragm is the main source of sound. The DC voltage that is applied between the electrodes of the diaphragm produces a sound. The circuit acts as a feedback loop, giving back part of the output as feedback to the input. The circuit satisfies the oscillation conditions, and the piezo diaphragm is driven with the oscillating frequency.
Coming to the sensor improvement, I'm going to use multiple sensors in parallel. Luckily, since our sensor is a switch, we can use them all in parallel, so closing any one switch completes the circuit. I used the old smoke detectors I had as switches. These detectors are so strong that they are ideal for usage in our application. As I mentioned, there's a radioactive substance in the smoke detector. Never touch it with bare hands. Read the instructions on how to handle radioactive materials. In this video, you can see how to remove the radioactive substance americium-241 and reassemble all the parts without damaging them. I did not disturb the circuit, I just connected two wires to the bump switch. Also, I used a battery holder for the 9-volt battery so that it will be easy to replace the battery. I'm going to use 6 switches in parallel and it works perfectly fine. This is the end of the video, and in my next video, I'm going to address the last problem, which is sustaining the sound. I'm going to use a timer circuit to do that. Thank you.